My name is joani.pemberton, and we're going to be touring the Voyage Model, and it's a model in Lake Las Vegas in the Del Webb community, which is a retirement community. This particular home, the base price is $568,880. That's a base price, and so you can look to pay about 15 to 20% over that for upgrades, and I'll show you what the upgrades are. This particular model is 2,736 square feet. Its model is 2 bedrooms and a den. You can have a three bedroom option. It has 2.5 bath, 2-car garage, and has a little golf storage unit as well. So come on in, let's take a look around. So here we have the 2-car garage from the exterior, and then over here we have the golf cart garage. Nice rock facade. And over to my right is going to be one of the bedrooms. One of the secondary bedrooms. A step up into the courtyard. We have a cute little courtyard here. It brings us to the entrance of the house. The courtyard is 16 by 16 square feet. And it's fully pavered, as is the driveway. This model is really very nice. We're going to start here in the entryway. We have the 20 by 20 gray tile. Such a relief to be in here. It's 109 outside right now, very hot. In this entryway also we have the, I'm going to call it wood flooring, for lack of a better term. What you put in the ceiling, I don't know if it's flooring, but basically it's the same stuff. And it's going to be in the master bedroom as well. It looks elegant, I think, and has recessed lighting in here. So over to my right, we have, it's modeled as a den. It could be a bedroom as well. Charming, with a little charming light. This is actually kind of a fabric wall covering, which is very pretty. It pulls together with the color of the home. All neutral palette, but well done. And over here we have a walk-in closet. Left side we have a dining room, kind of a formal dining room with a wine gallery. Very nice. It also has recessed lighting. A lot of natural light in this home. This is 12 by 12, or 12 and a half by 12 and a half, I should say, square feet. Nice wine gallery. Very pretty. Kind of paneled I think that's wall covering. Next, this family room is really very nice. You can get the breadth of the lot here, where it has a lake view. This room happens to be 19 by 25, this great room. We'll go back to that backyard in a minute. So in this great room, as I said, it's 19 by 25. These are tiles on the wall. Very interesting. Very nice built-ins. Has recessed lighting. It has accent lighting as well. And then we have these 2 sliding glass doors. 6 total, if you will, but they're going to open up here. This is an option. The double sliding glass doors, they open up all the way. We might as well go out here while we have this open. So we have a nice covered patio. Isn't this pretty? Nice pool. Nice lot view. I'm not sure exactly what the cost of the lot premium is here, but I can certainly find out. They're going to have other lots available with views. Nice backyard where it's not tiled, it's pavered. Very cute. This covered patio is 22 by 11 with recessed lighting. Okay, next we're going to show you the dining area. It's actually the cafe. It also has a lot of natural light. Again, it has this sliding glass door too. It could just be opened. This cafe is 12 by 13. It has recessed lighting, a lot of natural light. Well done. Moving into the kitchen, we have the accent ceiling here. And the island is quartz. However, nice quartz with a double sink, undermounted double sink. Kitchenaid. I think the Kitchenaid Appliances are an upgrade. And over here, this is, we kind of have this throughout the house too. It is 95% marble and the rest is composite. So it's a marble composite, but it's pretty nice, actually. We have the electric stove top, which is Kitchenaid, and the oven underneath, which is Kitchenaid. Nice stylish cooktop too. And I really like how they put the windows above the cooktop here, this nice window. So we have a second oven over here, as well as the Kitchenaid microwave oven, convection oven combination. Nice little walk-in pantry. Kitchenaid refrigerator freezer combination. Fits very perfectly in this space. And I don't know if I mentioned the clear story windows above the sliding glass door. Next, we're going to go into the master. The master again has crown molding with recessed lighting, and it has this paneling for the ceiling. I'm going to call it flooring, for lack of a better term, but it's paneling. And this master bedroom is 16 by 15 approximately. And this has some, it's not really wainscoting, but it's like paneling on the wall, because this is actually the wall with the texturedness of the wall. So it's just a design element. Very nice window. It's in a lot of natural light. And we again have a door out to the covered patio, which is kind of nice. Moving along to the master bathroom. Master bathroom has 10 by 20 tiles, kind of they're ceramic tiles, not porcelain, actually a beige color. And then we have the two walk-in closets on each side. This master doesn't have a bathtub, but it has a walk-in shower with a some clear story windows, which is helpful. Again, we have this marble composite countertop with the undermounted sinks. And isn't this pretty? This tile, nice long thin tiles that pulls together. They're like gray and beige, or taupe and beige. They're so pretty. And then we're going to move on into laundry room, which is attached to the master bathroom. But on this side, we have a water closet. And on this side, we have a linen closet. So this laundry room has a over-mounted sink. And has the same cabinetry throughout the house. And in this laundry room, they have a refrigerator in here. I don't know if the refrigerator belongs here, but we have one here. It's also Kitchenaid. So it's a refrigerator-freezer combination. So this is access to the second car garage. I don't think I'm able to open it. No, it's locked. And have a coat closet. Moving back out into the family room area, we have a guest bath. Has a pedestal sink. Same tile in the family room. This is really a pretty space. They did a nice job with the furniture arrangement. A nice conversation area to define the rooms. Very pretty. So in the front of the house, we have, on the way to the secondary bedroom. Again, the den could also be, there's an option for a bedroom there. This is a nice closet on the way to the secondary bedroom. This secondary bedroom has two closets. They're both wall closets. And this secondary bedroom has, it's in the front of the house. It has nice recessed lighting. It is approximately 14 by 12 square feet. Nice space. This bathroom has dual sinks. And my guess is if this configuration, if you turned the den into a bedroom, you would have access to this bathroom. You just have to configure it in a different way. But it has dual sinks, again, with the marble composite and undermounted sinks. So this concludes our tour of this Voyage model. Again, it's 2,736 square feet. It has 2-car garage and a golf cart garage. It has, this particular model has 3 bedrooms modeled, but it could be you could have a 3rd bedroom option instead of a den. The price of this home, the base price is $568,880. You could look to put about 15 to 20% over that in for your upgrades to make it look nice. So if you have any questions with regard to this model or any of the homes in my video tours, please feel free to contact me with my information below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified of any upcoming videos. Thank you.